Welcome back to your English class. This is Mahesh sir. As you know, students, in the last class we discussed our question answer from page number 34, 35. There we discussed some questions related to rhyming words. It's about rhyming words, opposite words, and then after that question we discussed the sea is big. Some fill in the blanks were there. Yes, there were 4 fill in the blanks. Nobody will disturb. Just listen carefully. I will tell you. Okay? I'll give you all the instructions. Follow. Listen, संगीता. मैं बताऊंगा. मैं वही बता रहा हूँ इंग्लिश में. ठीक है? Try to understand. So page number 36. There we have some fill in the blanks. Already we have done that. The sea is very, very big. The sea is very, very big. You cannot
Good
see
morning, sir.
the other side. You can cross the sea. You can cross the sea. You can cross it in a ship. Ship, S-H-I-P, ship. So all these fill in the blanks we have done yesterday. So now, here,
Good morning, sir.
one tongue twister is given. One tongue twister, Asim. Asim, at the beginning of this class, I would make you request, please mute your mic. कल मैंने आपको रिमूव किया था क्लास से, ठीक है? अगर आज भी आपने वैसे ही मस्ती की, then I will remove you today also. Okay? Yes. Seashells, seashells. There, she sells, she sells. She sells, she shells. Yes, this is the tongue twister. While pronouncing all these words, it is quite difficult to pronounce it correctly. Seashells, seashells. Sea sells, sea shells. Repeat it 2, 3, 4 times fastly. She sells seashells. She sells seashells. Now, you can find it is quite difficult to pronounce. Okay? It is called tongue twister. It is called tongue twister. Seashells, she sails on the seashore. Okay? Seashells, she sails on the seashore. Try to read fastly. आप बस कोशिश करें पढ़ने की. She sells seashells. She sells seashells. She sells seashells on the seashore. Seashells, seashells. She sells on the seashore. Like this way. Okay? You will try at your home. After this, read the following. Silence. Read the following. Silence. Silence यानी चुपचाप, शांति. Birds sing. Birds गाना गाते हैं. Phones ring. Phones ring करते हैं. People talk. People usually talk with others. Dogs bark. Dogs bark. कुत्ते भौंकते हैं. Cows moo. Cows moo. Cocks crow. Cocks crow. Bees buzz. Children hush. Children hush. Okay, students. So I am repeating this again. Listen. Birds sing. Birds sing. Phones ring. Phones ring. People talk. People talk. Dogs bark. Dogs bark. Cows moo. Cows moo. Cocks crow. Cocks crow. Bees buzz. Bees buzz. Children hush. Children hush or hush. Okay? So after this, we have to match the pictures with the correct phrase. Here it is, some phrases are given. What are the phrases? Just look at the page number 37. There we have some phrases. Also some pictures are given there. A bird singing. Where we can find the bird singing? This is the first picture, bird singing. Just match it correctly. Bird singing. After this, a cow mooing. A cow mooing. A phone ringing. A phone ringing. A dog barking. A dog barking. And a cock crowing. Okay, students? Just like this way, you will write this in your copy. Start to write from silent. कहाँ से लिखना स्टार्ट करेंगे आप? From this. From this. यहाँ से लिखेंगे आप. Start to write. I'm going to write on the board. Just look at here. Silence. Birds sing. Birds sing. Phones ring. Phones ring. People talk. People.
सर हमें रीड द फॉलोइंग भी लिखना है.
Yes, yes. After this, you will write match the following also. Okay. First of all, you will write this. You will write this in your copy. Okay. So start to write. Dogs bark. Cows moo. Cocks crow. Bees bird. Bees bird. And the last, children push. Very good, very good. Write fastly. Wait for others. Wait for others. Nobody will say done, done. Just show me thumbs up after completing this. Very good. Very good, very good. Birds sing. Phones ring. People talk. Dogs bark. Cows moo. Cocks crow. Bees buzz. Children hush or hush. Write fastly. As you can see on page number 37. Sorry. Birds sing. Phones ring. People talk. Dogs bark. Cows moo. Cocks crow. Bees buzz. Children hush. Write fastly.
डन सर. सो मुझे नीचे नीचे का नहीं दिख रहा है. डन. सबसे नीचे वाला सर. डन सर. नीचे वाला
You
नहीं
can
दिख रहा है.
see in your Abhaya saying, you can see in your book on page number 37. Just find it yourself.
यस सर.
So why are you asking this? As I told you at the beginning of the class, page number 37, we are discussing keep your mobile phone horizontally. Abhaya Singh, आपका मोबाइल फोन ऐसे रखो. Put your mobile phone like this. and turn off the rotate screen option. ऑटो रोटेट स्क्रीन ऑप्शन जो है वो ऑफ कर दो, मोबाइल में होता है वो.
मेरा भी ठीक है ना.
Okay, students? Yes. So let's start.
ठीक है ना.
Match the phrases with the picture. You will match these phrases with the picture, as you can see here. Okay.
सर टेस्ट में करना है या क्लास. सर
Note.
सर नोटबुक में नहीं कि बुक में.
Yes, you will write. You will match this in book first. पहले बुक में कर लीजिए. After the class, you will write in your copy. Okay,
सर
students?
कॉपी बनानी है.
Yes, yes. You have to draw the pictures also. आपको pictures भी draw करनी है. First is there a bird singing. A bird singing.
सर पेज नंबर.
Bird क्या करते हैं? Bird and their sounds. It means animals and their sounds. Just birds singing, phone, ring, people, cow, moons, cock, crows, bee, buzz, and children push. Okay, just like this way, you have to match the phrases with the correct picture. As you can see, a bird singing, just match it with this picture. Match it with this picture. After, a cow moving. Where is the cow? We can see here. Here it is the cow. So match it. After this, a phone ringing. A phone ringing. Phone is here. So match this phrase with this picture. After this, last one is
सर
a dog
मैंने
barking. A dog barking. A dog barking. Yes, here it is. So match it.
डन सर.
A cock crowing. Rudra Pratap, keep yourself mute. Silence, please. Don't unmute your device. Rudra Pratap. A cock crowing. The picture of cock is here. Just match it with the help of pencil. Draw a line. Okay, students? So that's it. We have finished all the question answers from this poem. Now, I am going to ask you some questions. Rudra Pratap. Where is Rudra Pratap?
यस सर.
Let me check. Where is Rudra Pratap? Yes. Rudra Pratap, turn on your camera. Yes. Now, sing the poem. Recite a poem. Sea song. Sea song poem गानी है आपको. Unmute yourself.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ. Sea song. I found a shell, a 31 line
आनिया,
on
क्या हुआ आनिया? मोहिनी, मैंने किसी दूसरे को नहीं पूछा है अभी. अपने माइक म्यूट रखो. Only Rudra Pratap will sing this poem. Yes, start.
सर बोलूं.
Yes, start.
Song. I found on one sand. I picked it up and look it home. Cold inside my hand. Mummy looked at it and then she
Rudra Pratap, listen. Not looked. Say looked. Say looked, not looked. Okay? The correct pronunciation is looked. Yes. Start. Start from mummy looked at it and then. Start from there. Yes, Rudra Pratap.
सर कहाँ से?
Mummy looked at it and then.
5,000 करोड़ में तो बताऊं
Keep your mobile phone at a one place. Rudra Pratap. Why are you shaking your mobile? Keep at one place. Yes, start. Your mobile is on mute mode. Unmute yourself. Rudra. Yes, start.
मम्मी looked at it and then
रुद्र
she
प्रताप, मैंने अभी बताया लुक्ड नहीं बोलना है. इट इज नॉट लुक्ड, इट इज लुक्ड. यस, स्टार्ट.
Mummy looked at it and then she hold it to my ear and on the shell there came a song, soft and sweet and cheerily. I was surprised. I listened
ओके ओके ओके. रुद्र प्रताप,
hard.
मैंने कल कैसे गा के देखे बताई थी. कैसे गाया था कल? ऐसे. कल मैंने प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए भी बोला था. नाउ पीयूष. वेयर इज पीयूष? Piyush Gazana left the meeting. Okay, next is Jatin. Jatin Kanwal. Yes, start to sing the poem. Start.
I found a self, a curly one, laying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home. Cold in my hand. Mummy looked at it and then held it to my hair, and from the shelf there came a song, soft and sweet and clear. I have sword, I learned heard, but it has really true. I wish you'd find a nice big self and hear it sing took.
Okay, very good. Now, next turn, Meenakshi. Meenakshi. Where is Meenakshi? Okay, Meenakshi is not there. Next is Mitali. Yes, Mitali, start.
I found a Sheila curly one lying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand. Mummy looked at it and then she held it to my ear, and from the shell there came a song, soft and sweet and clear. I was surprised. I listened hard, but it was really true. I wish you'd find a nice big shell and hear it singing too.
Very good, Mitali. Very good, beta. Next turn goes to, let me check, Mohit Gehlot. Mohit, yes. Start.
I found a furry one laying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand. Mummy looked at it and then she hung it to my ear, and from the cell there came a soft, sweet and clear.
Very good, Mohit. Very good, beta. Next. Next is Shreyashi. Yes. Shreyashi Ojha.
I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand. Mummy looked at it and then she held it to my ear, and from the shell there came a sound, soft and sweet and clear. I was surprised. I listened, heard, but I was really true. I wish you find a nice big cell and heard it singing too.
Very good. Very good. Shreyashi. Now next round goes to Tanvi. Tanvi Mehra. Yes.
सर मेरी पेन कब आई थी?
The shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand. Mummy looked at it and then she handed it to my ear, and from the shell there came a song, soft and sweet and clear. I was surprised. I listened hand, but it has really true. I wish you find a nice big shell and hear it singing too.
Very good, Sanvi. Yes, students, just like all the students who sang here very well. Okay.
मेरे से नहीं पूछा.
Yes, Bhavesh. Now your turn. Yes. Wait. Bhavesh.
I found a. Yes, sir.
Bhavesh. Start to sing. गाना शुरू करो Bhavesh.
Yes, I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the
Who is telling you?
sand. I picture it up that took it home, cold iron inside my hand. Mummy look at it, then she held it to my ear, and from the she there came a song, as soft and sweet,
Very good, Bhavesh. Very good.
clean.
Now next one goes to Shashwat.
सर मैं बोलूँ क्या?
Wait, Kusum.
Lying on the sand, I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand. Mummy looked at it and then
Your voice is not clear, Shashwat. Your voice is not audible. Please take the connectivity of your device.
I found the shell, a curly one, lying
held it to my ear, and from the shell came a song, soft and sweet and clear. I was surprised. I listened hard, but it was really true. I wish you did find a nice big shell and hear it singing too.
Very good, Shashwat. Now next is Rohini. After Rohini, Kusum, be ready.
I found a shell, a curly one lying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home. Put inside my hand. Mummy looked at it, and then she held it to my ear. And from the shell there came a song, soft and sweet and clear. I was surprised. I listened hard, but it was really true. I wish you find a nice big shell
And hear it singing too. Now, very good, Rohini. Next is Kusum. Kusum Dhakar. Start to sing.
I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand. Mummy looked at it, and then she held it to my ear, and from the shell there came a song, soft and sweet and clear. I was surprised. I listened hard, but it was really true. I wish you don't find a nice big shell and hear it singing too.
Very good, Kusum. Very good. Okay, students. So, it is not possible to give chance to all the students in this live class. Okay. We have only 35 minutes. So, yes, last but not the least, Pradarsh Trivedi. Be ready. Pradarsh. Yes, sing.
सर आपने मुझसे तो पूछा ही नहीं
I found a shell, a curly one lying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home. Put inside my hand. Mummy looked at it, and then she held it to my ear. Then from the
Mitali, mute yourself. Very good, brother. Very good. Okay, students. Next, Divyanshi Parihar. Divyanshi Parihar. This is the last one. Divyanshi Parihar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, start to sing.
C song. I found a shell, a curly one.
Turn on your camera. Turn on your camera. Unmute yourself and turn on your camera. कैमरा स्टार्ट करो और अनम्यूट करो अपने आप को, जैसे बातें करते वक्त आप करते हो ना. कैमरा कहाँ है? कैमरा ऑन करो अपना. Okay, I think yes.
I found.
Keep your mobile phone at one place.
Yes, sir.
मोबाइल फोन एक जगह पे रखो ठीक से. Yes. Start to sing.
I found only one on the sand. I picked it up, took it home, put inside my hand. Mummy looked at it, and then she held it to my ear, and from the shell there comes song, soft and sweet and clear. I was surprised in heart, but it was really true. I wish you find a nice big shell and hear it singing too.
Okay, students, so clap for all who listen carefully and who perform here. Okay, so it is not possible to give the chance to everyone in this live class. Okay, students, so now here I am going to sing this poem again. Listen it carefully. अच्छे से सुनिए और वैसे ही गाने की कोशिश कीजिए. ठीक है? Learn this poem, recite this poem with proper rhythm like this way. I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand, cold inside my hand. Mummy looked at it and then she held it to my ear. And from the shell there came a song, soft and sweet and clear, soft and sweet and clear. I was surprised, I listened hard, but it was really true. I wish you would find a nice big shell and hear it singing too, and hear it singing too, and hear it singing too. Okay, students? So like this way, you will sing this poem and try to recite. Yes, try to learn with proper rhythm. Now, students, only one question is still remaining from this poem. I am going to write on the board. You will write in your copy. Okay?
सर आपने वो मैच द फॉलोइंग नहीं करवाया.
Which one? Which one?
सर जो मैच करना था उसे पहले हमें बुक में करना है, फिर नोटबुक में करना है.
आप जितना भी आपने बुक में लिखा है इस क्वेश्चन के बाद आप लिख सकते हैं अपने कॉपी में. ओके, सो नीड नॉट टू वरी. राइट दिस क्वेश्चन इन योर कॉपी.
ये भी लिखना है.
यस, अभी ये क्लास में लिखना है. अभी कॉपी में सेकंड फॉर.
सर क्लास के बाद इनके पिक्चर बना के मैच करना है.
अरे बाबा, आपने जो बुक में काम किया है आज, जो मैंने ये मैच द फॉलोइंग बताए थे आपको, ये वाले, ये आपने पहले बुक में किया है ना, तो यही काम ये वाला और ये वाला आपको कॉपी में करना है. ठीक है? फर्स्ट फॉर्म एंड सेकंड फॉर्म. फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, फर्स्ट फॉर्म and second form. Okay, अब ये first form and second form है क्या? Yes, the action words. Action words means those words which shows the action, explains the action. All those words are called action words, which we can say in grammatically verbs. Okay, so here first form of the verb and second form of the verb. So here from this poem we are going to write first form of the action words. Some words are given here. Find, then pick, then take, then look, then come, then surprise, then listen. Okay, so we are going to write the second form of this word. Find.
सर कैमरे को थोड़ा लेफ्ट साइड ले लीजिए.
No, Mita, Rohini, एज आई टोल्ड यू, आपने मोबाइल अभी भी ऐसे ही रखा है रोहिणी, आपको मैंने कल ही समझाया था ना।
सर वो ऐसे नहीं होता है, पिन का वो पिन का कुछ आता है, उसको क्लिक करते ही भी कुछ नहीं होता है।
होता है सभी के मोबाइल में, अभी सभी बच्चे वैसे दिख रहे हैं, बस आपकी स्क्रीन मुझे ऐसे दिख रही है। आप मोबाइल में रोटेट स्क्रीन वाला ऑप्शन ऑफ कर दीजिए और मोबाइल ऐसे हॉरिजॉन्टल रखिए सो दैट यू कैन सी होल बोर्ड। ओके
सर फर्स्ट फॉर्म लिसेंड हो गया, लिसेंड फर्स्ट फॉर्म।
फर्स्ट फॉर्म में तो लिखना है सर।
सर लिसेंड है सर, फर्स्ट फॉर्म लिसेंड है, लास्ट वाला लिसेंड है सर, फर्स्ट फॉर्म।
लिसन, यस यस, LISTEN, लिसन।
यस सर।
ओके, फाइंड, फाउंड, पिक, picked is the second form of pick. Take, took, look, looked. Don't pronounce it looked. Looked नहीं बोलना है, जैसे कि बहुत सारे बच्चे बोल रहे थे। It is not looked. The correct pronunciation is looked. Okay? Look, looked. Pick, picked. Yes, just like this way.
सर आपने लुक में सेकंड फॉर्म में ट्रिपल ओ लिख दिया।
सर आप ट्रिपल ओ लिख दिया।
यस यस, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड, ऐसे ही ध्यान दीजिए, है ना। लुक, लुक, कम, केम, सरप्राइज, सरप्राइज्ड। After this, listen, LISTENAD, listen. Okay? Some few words I am going to write here. Just you will write after this word.
Dancer.
Fish, fish. Yes. Wish, wish.
सर ये लिखना है।
मिताली, अभी मैंने समझाया, आप इस वर्ड के नीचे ही लिखोगे, फिर भी पूछ रहे हो आप। ओपन, ओपन, क्लोज, closed. Write fastly.
सर ये सारे के बाद मैचिंग करना है ना।
Dancer. Dancer.
Okay. Right.
Dancer.
Wrote. Right. Wrote. Sing. Sang. Drink. Drank. Throw. Throw यानी फेंकना. Throw. Threw. Think, thought, think, thought. Write fastly.
Dancer.
इसके बाद
Dancer.
इसके बाद मैचिंग करनी है ना।
Dancer. Dancer.
Dancer.
Dancer.
Dancer.
Dancer.
Dancer.
Okay, students. So here it is. You can see we have first form of alphabets and some second form. And second form. Listen. find, found,
Side, please.
take, took,
Sir,
look,
side,
looked,
please.
come, came,
Please.
surprise, surprised, listen, listened, wish, wished, open, opened, close, closed, write, wrote, sing, sang, drink, drank, throw, threw, think, thought,
Right.
say, said, tell, told, ask, asked. Okay, so like this way, these are the first and second form of the verb. We have discussed here from the poem. Okay, hope you all understood this. So that's it for today. Write fastly.
सर मैचिंग वाला बात है
इसके बाद आप मैच द फॉलोइंग लिख सकते हैं अक्षित महाजन। ये लिखने के बाद आप मैच द फॉलोइंग जो पेज नंबर 37 पे है वो लिख सकते हैं। म्यूट योर डिवाइसेस, डोंट डिस्टर्ब हियर।
Done, sir. इन सबसे नीचे वाला ही बच्चा है।